Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable grapevine wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a grapevine wreath. You will also need some adorable picks. These are also from Dollar Tree. So cute. They have a wide selection, so just pick what you like. And then I have ribbon. And this ribbon is so cute. It's 2.5 inches in width. It's like a shiny undertone, but it's plaid. It's so cute. And I've cut the ribbon into 26-inch long pieces, and I have 3 pieces. These will serve as my loops. And then I have 28-inch long pieces, 2 pieces, and these will serve as my tails. You can go with whatever size or length you want, just depending on how large you want your bow. You will also need the bow maker, and some bow wire, and some scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of my bodabra. So then I'm going to take my tails, fold it in half to find the center. And then I'm going to open it with the right side facing up and scrunch it. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. And then I'm going to repeat the same step with my next tail. And if you love more tails, then you can definitely add as many tails as you'd like, or you don't have to add any tails at all. It's completely up to you. But just repeat the same step for as many tails as you'd like. Okay, next we'll move over to our loops. So you're going to have the wrong side facing up and scrunch the end, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Then you're going to make a loop and then scrunch the other end and place it down. Then you find your center and scrunch one more time and place it down. You can fold it in half before you start placing it down to find the exact center, but I just kind of estimate. And then use your wand to scrunch everything together and maneuver it and make sure it all looks really nice, just like that. So cute. And then we're just going to repeat the same step with all of our loops. You can make as many or as few loops as you prefer. It's completely up to you. So we'll go ahead and get all of our loops in place. Is looking so cute and precious. Now we're going to take our bow wire, place the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold your bow in place and give it a nice tug. Really tight. And then remove it from your bodabra, and we're going to tie it in a knot a couple of times just to make sure everything is nice and secure. Alright, and then I'm not going to cut away the excess bow wire. I actually want to leave it in place so that I can tie it to my wreath a little bit later. And I'm just maneuvering it, kind of rounding it out a little bit more. You can keep it flat if you choose to do so. It's completely up to you, but I think it's looking so cute and precious. Next, we are going to take our picks and we're going to kind of place them towards the bottom of our wreath. If you prefer using more picks and covering the entire wreath, you can do that as well. But I thought 2 would look so cute and precious. So I'm just going to crisscross them at the bottom of the wreath. Take some of my bow wire, and you can actually use floral wire for this part as well. And I'm just intertwining the wire throughout my 2 picks, tying it together to make sure they're nice and secure. Alright, that looks good, and I'm just going to now tie the bow wire to my actual wreath ring. Just like that, so precious. And you can definitely cut the ends of the pick, but since I'm going to place my bow right on top, they're not going to be visible, so I'm just going to skip that step. Next thing you're going to do is take your cute bow, and I left the bow wire long because I knew I would be attaching this to a wreath. So once I tied the knots, I did not cut the excess bow wire off. So I'm going to take that bow wire and just tie it to the back of my wreath form in a knot a couple of times. Just like that. It looks so cute and precious. And the last finishing touch, I'm going to ribbon cut the ends. And to ribbon cut, you're just going to fold your ribbon in half, have the open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. And I'm just going to repeat this step with all of my tails. And sometimes I do leave my tails squared off. It just depends on how I'm feeling. So I just decided to ribbon cut this time. And you are all done. It looks so cute and precious, simple and easy to do. It doesn't take very long at all, but it looks so cute. And all items were purchased at Dollar Tree.